Um, so guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what Euro JPY will most likely do for us for the week. So guys, that is why if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you follow the Telegram channel. I'll be putting back-to-back updates for you guys in the Telegram channel. And once you subscribe to this channel, also to the YouTube channel, also click on the notification bell icon so that once we drop an update, instantly you will get the update and you will miss out on any single. Now, guys, let's take a look at what um, EURJPY will be giving us for the week. So let's start with our trend. First and first, we need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our EURJPY, right then, we are in a ranging market move. That is on the current trend. So on EURJPY, we have the main trend, and we also have the current trend. So we are going to take a look at the current trend, and we're also going to take a look at the main trend. Now, guys, when you take a look at this EURJPY right here, especially when you go to your daily time frame, right? First, we need to take a look at the main trend, and this is our main trend on EURJPY, right? What is the main trend on EURJPY? It is very simple. Main trend on EURJPY is an uptrend move. So this is the overall trend. We are in an uptrend move. When you now zoom it in and take a look at what the current trend is doing, you will see that this current trend we are ranging right here. So we are ranging within this box, right? Market is giving us a series of resistance and support level. So market was able to come to tap our support level, then it pushed up to tap our resistance. The market dropped to tap our support level, then it pushed up again to tap the resistance. Market then rejected from our resistance and dropped back to our support level. Then market rejected from the support level back to our resistance. Market was now able to reject from our resistance and it dropped back to our support, right? Then it pushed up, market push up. The market is able to come back to test our support level right now. We are currently at the support level right here. So at this support level, what should we be expecting? We should be expecting EURJPY to push up to be able to tap our resistance level. So guys, from this resistance, from this support level, we should be anticipating for a bullish move. Now the market has dropped to tap our support level, we should be expecting a bullish move that will be able to push us to tap our resistance level. Now, guys, take a look at it right here. On Thursday, market opened and closed bullish. This is on Friday movement. Guess what market did? Market also opened and closed bullish. Now from Monday to from next week that we are predicting for, we would expect market to push. So in the next 2 weeks, by the way, let's say it in the next 2 weeks. So within 2 weeks, right, period, we should see markets trading around this resistance level. Market should have tapped this resistance level and possibly be trading around it. So what I'm just trying to say is that we would be anticipating for a bullish move on Euro JPY because the overall trend is still on an uptrend move and we are currently at the support level, so we should be expecting good number of rejection from our support level. Now let's go down to our forward time frame, guys. Now this is it right here on our forward time. So markets they push first give us the high, and here comes the higher low. Right. Now markets push up one more time to give us the new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new high. Right, this is the new high. Now we should be expecting market to give us an higher low. Once it gives us the higher low, then we can now start expecting another higher high that should push up to take out this high previous high. So above all, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on EURJPY. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes to this prediction, make sure you let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.